The Alpine S2-S68 Speaker Set is engineered to deliver high-resolution audio, providing clear and natural sound reproduction up to 40 kilohertz. Constructed with a robust blend of polypropylene, glass fiber, and mica cone materials, these speakers ensure durability and minimize distortion for a clean audio experience. Alpine's innovative High Amplitude Multi-Roll surround technology enhances bass performance, offering deep and impactful bass notes that enrich your music. Designed for ease of installation, the 6x8-inch speakers with integrated 1-inch tweeters fit seamlessly into various vehicles, upgrading your audio system effortlessly. With a peak power of 230 watts and RMS power of 75 watts, these speakers provide dynamic and immersive sound quality for all your audio needs. The Alpine S2-S68 speakers offer an exceptional combination of power, performance, and easy installation, making them an excellent choice for car audio enthusiasts.